name is Victoria Wagner. I teach painting, all media, in open studios at the Valley Arts Center. Today I'm focusing on oil painting and how to set up a proper palette. This is how we set up a proper palette. I specify that you put the white in the corner, and it's a larger dollop than the other ones because it all mixes together with white. On one side we have cool, on the other side we have warm. What is cool color? Think sky, air, water, blues and greens and purples. What is warm? Think sunshine, earth colors. That's yellows and oranges and reds all the way down to browns. If we separate those and have them that way every time, we don't have to search for our colors. I'm using a paper palette. It's disposable. And it goes in a Masterson palette. It has a cover, so it's sealed. When you put it in your car, it doesn't slide off the seat and destroy your interior. People who don't want to go this route and afford the Masterson use a pizza box. Another hint, put your colors, your tubes of paint, in separate bags and identify them. All reds together, blues together, yellows, all together in Ziplocs. I've seen students so often waste time looking for that certain color when they run out. Don't do that, keep it in Ziplocs. All right? Here's another hint. When washing your brushes, I want you to make sure that you wipe off with paper towel, get all the paint off. Then you're going to go to your sink and you're going to pour Dawn dish soap into the palm of your hands, and you're going to scrub that brush and run it under water until it runs clean and clear. Then you can store your brush heads up, not down. Also, same thing for your container of turpenoid, turpentine, turpenoid. Put it in a Ziploc so that it doesn't spill out also. Make sure your container for your turpenoid has locks on it or has a tight lid, but also put it in a Ziploc. Make sure your medium is in a tight container also. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Victoria Wagner. I'm a teacher here at the Valley Arts Center. I teach painting, and I love teaching painting. I wish you all happy painting, and we'll close with some examples of my work. Thank you.